welcome to my channel Uptech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notification. So today in this video we will discuss about MetaMask Snaps. Customize your wallets with MetaMask Snaps. Discover, install and use community built features in your MetaMask wallet today. MetaMask Snaps Open Beta. The MetaMask Snaps Open Beta is a first look at what is possible when extending the capabilities of your wallet. We invite those who are comfortable trying new features to test our these snaps built by talented community developers. And categories are with features that you can install to customize your wallet. MetaMask Snaps is the next leap forward toward a feature that is infinitely scalable. Interoperability and security, communication and account manage. These are the four things. Interoperability means connect to non-Ethereum blockchains with MetaMask. Security that stay informed with insights before you confirm transactions in MetaMask, and the communication stay in the know with Web3 notification and chat directly in MetaMask. Account management that is added new Ethereum account solution backed by enhanced security measures. Security comes first. Snaps runs in a sandbox environment and use a permission model to protect your data and respect your consent. Snap does not have access to your MetaMask account data. When installing a Snap, you can always verify the permission you are granting. Snaps currently features in the MetaMask Snaps directory have been added by our team and third parties. And discover community built snaps like we are sparking a movement that embrace decentralized innovation. And the other is open beta available today. Explore MetaMask Snaps alongside 100 million plus users directly in the MetaMask extension. And here we will discuss little about detail about that what is MetaMask Snaps. MetaMask Snaps allow users to add features and functionality to their MetaMask wallet. Individual snaps are features created by third-party developers that MetaMask users can install directly into their wallet. We believe a decentralized internet that is accessible to all and owned by the people who use it will give rise to the human flourishing on an exponential scale. Whilst our roots are in Ethereum and our expertise is grounded in the building that leading self-custodial wallet. We appreciate that innovation occurs in many domains across the Web3 ecosystem with Snaps, and we hope to capture the full extent of the innovation happening in Web3 by enabling developers to bring their specialist expertise to building for our platforms. And the next is what is Snap? A Snap is an application built by a third party developer that adds features and functionality to MetaMask. Snaps can connect to blockchain protocols beyond Ethereum, show insights about the transaction, display notification, add new privacy and identity features, and much more. And how is MetaMask Snaps Open Beta different from the final version of MetaMask Snaps? Is the MetaMask Snaps Open Beta is different in that it will host a variety of allow listed snaps which have been audited by third parties as well as the MetaMask team. MetaMask Snaps Open Beta is a first step to building this permissionless system. Ultimately, our vision of MetaMask Snaps is to be fully permissionless without any gatekeepers. And the next is are snaps safe to use? Snaps run in a sandbox environment and use a permission model to protect your data and respect your consent. Snaps does not have access to your MetaMask account data. When installing a Snap, make sure you understand with permission you are granting to stay secure. And the next is how do I install or disable a Snap? Looking to temporarily disable a Snap, you can easily do so by accessing the Snap settings. No longer need a specific Snap, and the are you a developer learn how to snaps created by third-party developers are a third-party service as defined in the consensus terms of use. Snap Story is permissionless innovation, and how do you make Web3 more accessible to the masses and Snap in the MetaMask table and where we go from where? Decentralize the wallet experience with the snaps. So here is the end of our topic.